My name is Fernando Ardianto. My name 218093342229. My class A20. I will tell about financial asset. Assets are all economic resources or value of wealth by a particular entity with the hope of providing economic and social benefit that can be measured in units of money, including non-financial resources needed to provide service for the general public and resources maintained for resources, history, and culture. Assets are entered on the balance sheet with a normal debit balance. Assets are understood as total assets. Assets are divided into two, namely tangible assets and intangible assets. Tangible assets are assets whose value is proportional to their form, such as land, building, or machinery, while intangible assets are assets in the form of documents representing legal claim and ownership. For explain broad assets. Financial assets are part of intangible assets. For a financial asset, the benefit or value it holds is a claim for cash in the future. In financial asset, there are two parties that play in it, namely the insurer and the investor. Insurer are parties to make cash payment in the future, while investors are the owner of financial assets. The following are explained for financial assets, among others: 1. Loan of credit. 2. Bond. 3. Preference. Claim held by holder of financial asset can be in the form of a fixed amount of money, income, or a variable of even residual amount. In the case of fixed income, the financial asset is called a debt instrument. Financial assets that fall into this category are loan and bond. Equity claim, also called residual claim, require insurer of financial asset to pay dividend based on the profit earned by the company, so that the income earned by the owner of this asset does not remain dependent on the profit generated by the company. And included in this model, financial assets are stock. The risks contained in financial assets include: 1. Risk related to the potential purchasing power of the expanded cash flow. 2. The risk of the insured inability to fulfill its obligation. 3. For financial assets whose cash flow are not denominated in US dollar, there is a risk that the exchange rate will change in a negative direction, resulting in a smaller dollar amount. Financial assets have two main economic functions. The first is to defend funds from those who have excess funds to those who need funds to invest in tangible assets. The second economic function is to transfer funds in such a way that the unavoidable rise in cash flow generated by tangible assets can be transferred or shared between those who need the fund and those who provided the fund.